If you realize there's a mismatch between what you're good at and what you're doing, it's worth paying attention to. There's a lot of ways to look at niching. Here's another, is three things. This is mostly for people in the healing arts and coaches, but for most people in that space, your direction is going to be connected to your wound. Yeah, you look to where did you struggle the most, what did you overcome, and that gives the direction of the niche. But the shape of what you offer will come from your gifts. Yeah, because some people good at networking, some people good at hosting, some people good at speaking, some people good at facilitating, some people good at organizing. There's a lot of different strengths. So the shape of it is best if it's aligned with your gifts. And then third is the nature, the tone of it. The vibe is going to be defined by your nature. Because you just might be bookish. You're kind of nerdy. If you can't fix it, feature it. But you know what I'm saying? People are like, God, I'm just so ashamed of this part of me. It seems to be who I am. God, I'm an asshole. I can't seem to do anything about this. Well, if you can't fix it, feature it. I'm too brusque. That's not a problem. That's a branding opportunity, Some people are very edgy, some people really loud, some people really quiet. And then people try to fix themselves. But it's much better to just say, well, that seems to be who you are. And be honest about it so that people don't have frustrating experiences.